All right, let me show you the setup I have here. Now I love end caps. I think they look really nice at the end of chain. And what I've done is I've dropped a chain down into a small end cap, and really round Rolos and stuff work the best. And I went ahead and I fluxed down in that tube and I added a piece of soft solder. And now I'm going to heat that up, and that solder is going to flow inside that tube and it's going to hold that chain. It's a really secure connection, and I'll show it to you at the end. So go ahead and put your torch in your non-dominant hand, and go ahead and put your soldering pick in your dominant hand. And I'm going to go ahead and heat up the chain. Now I'm going to go, and I'm just going to put the heat right on that tube bezel, on that tube, and I'm going to wait for it to get red hot. It's kind of hard to see it, so you might need to touch it a little bit to see if it flowed. I think it did. So let me go ahead and pull it off and check it. All right, so I went ahead and I quenched this, and the flux got up on the links and made them stiff, but all I did was I broke it free. Sometimes it takes a pickle to do that, so you can quench it and pickle it, or just after you quench, just make sure everything's nice and loose. And this is secured. And I'll clean that all up. I'll pickle it, then I'll clean it all up. And that's how you do an end cap on a piece of chain.